Okay, now they ask to simplify this, right? Okay, now first of all, remember when you have fraction, can be algebraic, that means including unknown letter, or just a fraction, right? Value. Uh, when that time, always when you have that type of situation, check what the sign between these two fraction or three fraction, what are the sign. Now here we have plus minus, right? That means we need to make the same denominator, right? If it is multiplication, something else we do, right? If it is division, something else, like that. So if these are plus and minus, no, you have to make same denominator and then you can simplify. They ask to simplify, you know, this one, right? Now then again you have to focus here. What are the denominators? Here 6, here 4, here 3. So you need to find the LCM of this three number, or simple way you can think 3 times tables and 4 times tables and 6 times tables, what the number you have lowest one. So it will be 12, because in 4 times tables also we have 12, 3 times tables also we have 12, like that, right? So here I can make this all denominators to be 12. So I need to multiply this one by 4. Get to 12 here. So you can't multiply only denominator in a one fraction. So you need to multiply numerator also. So here I need to multiply. Now here try to understand. Now this denominator I multiply by 4. Right? Denominator I multiply by 4. In this denominator only one digit, no? I mean 3, no? So you don't need to put bracket. But in numerator we have two numbers, two things, two terms, x minus 3. So two things now here. So that's why here we are telling you have to multiply numerator. Numerator mean here we have two things. So you have to multiply this complete numerator. That means this both you need to multiply by 3. Sorry, 4. By 4. That's the idea here, right? When you multiply like this way to make the same denominator, keep mind if you have numerator or denominator 2 or more than one terms, you have to multiply that all by that number. Okay, now here I need to multiply by 3 to get to 12. So here also I need to multiply by x and plus 5, both I need to multiply by 3. So I'll put here multiply by 3. That's why I can when I put this bracket, we can indicate we need to multiply this both, because both inside the bracket, and also multiply. That's the thing. That's the reason we put here bracket. Okay, here is the key point of this question. This one I need to multiply by 2, no, get to 12. But here this both I need to multiply by 2, right? Same idea. Here I multiply by 2 and here 2. Okay, I will explain this later. What is this is key thing here. Okay, now we know here 12, here 12, here also 12. So that's why I need to put just 112 here. Is simple, the denominator. Now I will multiply this numerator. When you have plus and plus or minus in between fractions, we need to make same denominator, and then what the thing you have to do in numerator, you have to do that. Okay, 4 into x, 4x. 4 into minus 3, plus into minus minus, 4 into 3, 12, like that. Then by plus 3, here the sign belong to this number, like that thing. Actually, it's what you have to do here indicate. But the thing is, you can think if you think like this, this number has plus 3, like that. By plus 3 multiply this both. Plus, when you have plus here, you don't need to care about that much. It's will be okay, I mean will be correct. But when you have here is the key thing. Okay, I will show you. Plus 3 into x, it will be 3x. Plus 3 into plus 5, it will be plus 15. Here is the why I am telling here key thing this one, because most of the students get here wrong. Now in here you need to think this sign belong to 2, right? Actually he be multiplied by plus 2 now, this both, but actually here minus into plus, it will be minus here. But keep mind, you have to think this sign belong to 2, then it will be very easy to solve this question, simplify to this question. Minus 2 into plus 2x, here plus, no, here plus 2x, minus 2 into plus 2x, like that thing, this sign belong to this number, like that. Minus 2 into plus 2x, it will be minus, plus minus into plus minus, 2 into 2, 4x. Then minus 2 into minus 1, right? You have to think. I am telling again what this sign belong to minus 2. Sorry, this sign minus belong to 2. That means minus 2. By minus 2, if I multiply minus 1, minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2, like that, right? Okay, then if you have any doubt with this sign, plus into plus what, minus into plus what, like that, I explained this thing in earlier my videos. Please check those. You can get the very simple way to get the idea how this sign will come. Okay, now plus 4x plus 3x minus 4x, these are like terms, right? You can simplify. Here plus 4x to minus 4x, actually you can cut. That means like plus 4 plus 4 minus 4, it will be 0. It's like that. So here this to this cut. Then we have remain only plus 3x. Here 12 plus 3x remain. Okay, then minus 12 plus 15 and plus 2. Okay, let's simplify this 2 first. Minus 12 plus 12. Normally, on those video I explain this. I will tell the rule here. But when you have different sign, here minus 12, here plus 15. So, you have to put the bigger one sign. That means here, when you not consider the sign, 15 is the bigger. So, put the bigger one sign. Without sign, don't consider about the sign, just think this number. Here 15 is the bigger, so sign of the bigger one and get the difference of these two. When you have different sign, we would get the difference, put the bigger one sign. That's the simple idea, right? When you have two numbers to here not multiply or divide, then you put the bigger one sign and get the difference. So here bigger one is 15, sign of that plus 15 minus 12 mean 3. That's the difference of these two numbers. Okay, now this is the answer for minus 12 and plus 15. And then we have again plus 2 also. Okay, I will someone can do this is with one step, very simple idea. Here will be 5, 3x plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 mean when you have same sign, with that rule we can apply. When you have same sign, put the same sign and sum. 3 plus 2, 5. Like that way we can simplify this question easily.